Hi everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time! As you can see today, I'll be taking care of the puppies. Skye is very busy taking a phone call. Somebody called and wants to hire her to be a movie star. Isn't that cool? That will be great, but I don't know if Skye is ready to go back to work. After all, it's so much work taking care of all these 5 puppies here at the house. Wait a minute, 5 puppies? I only see 4 of you guys. Where is Lila? We don't know, Daddy. Lila went to her room. I think she said she wanted to change her outfit. But I just got you guys dressed for today. I know, but she did not like the outfit that you put on her. Oh wow, I hope she's not making a big mess in her room. Okay, so not this dress, not that dress, not this dress, not this one, definitely not. Okay, this purple one, definitely the purple one. I knew I made the right choice. Oh no, now look at the mess that I made in my bedroom. Oh no, Mommy's not gonna be happy. Now I'm gonna see if my siblings will help me clean up. Let me go ask them. Hi guys, hi Daddy. Wow, it was so difficult to get dressed for the day today. Lila, you look adorable, but I have to say, I got you dressed up already. Why did you put this beautiful fancy dress? Well, because I love wearing my beautiful party dress. But Lila, Mommy said that we were not supposed to wear the party dress today. Oh, I don't think she will mind. I think she will, because it's so much work washing all these beautiful fancy dresses. Oh my goodness, I can see that taking care of these puppies is gonna be so much work, especially if Skye goes back to work. How am I ever gonna do this? How are you ever gonna do what? Oh, hi Skye, there you are. I see that you finished your phone call. Yes, I'm so excited. I just got a phone call from a big producer in Hollywood. They want me to be a movie star. I think I am ready to go back to work. What do you think, Chase? Do you think you can handle the puppies? They are a lot of work. Sure, Skye, I'm here for whatever you need. I promise that I will do a great job taking care of the puppies. And after all, I work from home. I don't think it's gonna be so difficult. Okay, thanks, Chase. But I'm gonna miss them because I'm always with the puppies. You have to promise also that you will bring them to the set all the time because I wanna see my puppies all the time. Sure, I promise, Skye. And when do you have to go to the studio? They asked me to go to the studio as soon as possible. So that means this afternoon. What do you think, Chase? Okay, that's fine. We'll make it happen. Mommy, you are going to the studio? You're going to work? What's gonna happen to us? Don't leave me alone. Kids, don't worry. Mommy's never gonna leave you guys alone. And I have a surprise for you. Do you guys want to go with Mommy and meet the studio and see lots of fun movies being recorded? Do you think that's a good idea? Yay! It's a great idea. We love it, Mommy. Thank you. Oh, wait to turn it around, Skye. I was worried that the kids were not going to be happy, but if the kids are happy, I am happy. Yes, Mommy, we're so happy for you. Me too, Skye. I'm so proud of you. So let's go get ready. We still have a long drive. All right, kids, let's go get ready. Wow, look at this room. It's very fancy. Is this where you're gonna be working, Mommy? Yes, kids, this is where I'm gonna be working. And I would like you guys to be very polite and be on your best behavior. Sure, Mommy, don't worry, I will be. Hi there, you must be Skye from Paw Patrol. Nice to meet you, my name is Stacy. Hi Stacy, nice to meet you too. This is my husband Chase. Hi Stacy, very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Chase. And these are my kids. Kids, say hello to Stacy. Hi Stacy, how are you? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Skye, the manager, will be with you in a moment. Meanwhile, may I get you guys something to drink? It could be some tea, some juice, some water. Would you like a coffee, a Starbucks, a Frappuccino? A Frappuccino. Yes. Would you guys like some? Yes, we do. We want all kinds of Frappuccinos that we can get. Kids, I asked you guys to be on your best behavior. Oh, don't worry, Skye. We're used to having kids here at the office all the time. We have cookies, we have lots of stuff. Stay right here. I'll bring them in just 1 second. Kids, I'd like you guys to be on your best behavior, please. Today's a very important day for Mommy, okay? Okay. And also, Skye, if they're being too disruptive, I'll make sure to take them out for ice cream or something. But we promise we'll be good, Daddy. Here we go, guys. I brought all flavors of Frappuccino for you guys. And I also brought chocolate chip cookies and also chocolate chip muffins. Yummy. Thanks, Stacy. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you so much, Stacy. That was so nice of you. Oh, you're very welcome, Skye. Meanwhile, you could focus on your audition while the kids are here happy drinking their nice Frappuccino and eating some snacks. Thank you. You're welcome. Now I have to go see if the talent agent is ready. I will be right back. Kids, when Mommy's doing her audition, you guys have to remember to stay on your best behavior, okay? Okay, Mommy. All right, Skye, your talent agent is ready. Time for your audition. All right, guys, wish me luck. Good luck, Mommy. Break a leg. Sir, this is Skye from Paw Patrol. Hi, Mr. Talent Agent. Very nice to meet you. Thanks for the opportunity to be auditioning for you today. Oh, you're very welcome, Skye. I heard great things about you. Can't wait to see if you'll be able to be on my next new movie that's gonna premiere in Hollywood. Wow, in Hollywood? That's a big deal. Yes, it is, and people can't wait to see you on the silver screen. Wow, I promise I will do my best. Are you ready to start your audition? I'm going to set up the camera. Are you ready, Skye? So here we go. Your audition just started. Wow, I am so excited, you guys. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. I promise that I will be the best actress that Hollywood has ever seen. I'm going to give my all. I can sing, I can dance, and I can memorize lines very, very fast. I'm very excited for this new opportunity. Wow, good job, Skye. That was incredible. That's right, that was amazing, Skye. Can't wait to show your tape to all of the producers. Stacy will give you a call as soon as I have news. Okay, thank you, Mr. Talent Agent. Thank you, Stacy. You're welcome, Skye. I'll be in touch. Okay, thanks. I'm going to walk you to the door. Thanks, Stacy. Skye, you're back. How did the audition go? Oh, I don't know. We'll have to hear back. Oh, Skye, you did amazing. Thanks, Stacy. You're welcome, Chase. Skye did great, and I'm sure all the producers will be very happy to see her tape. I'll be calling you guys soon. Thank you. Wow, that was a fun day. I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Wow, imagine if I become a movie star. That would be amazing, Skye, and I am here to help you in anything that you need. Oh, thanks, Chase. Alright, guys, so today was a fun adventure. I can't wait to find out if I will be a movie star. It will be on our next Paw Patrol video. It's gonna be so exciting. So hurry up and subscribe to our channel if you want to be my biggest fan. And also ask all your friends to subscribe. And if you like our video, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time. Please subscribe to find out if I will be a movie star.